Dr. Filatowski offers the newest, most advanced multifocal lenses. These implants can restore youthful vision, giving patients both distance and close-up vision without the need for glasses. Today, cataract surgery is also vastly improved. It is a 10-minute outpatient procedure.
In the past, patients had to go to the hospital, stay overnight. They had to endure stitches in their eye, injections around the eye, and eye patches over their eye. Now, with modern custom cataract surgery, the procedure is done on outpatient basis in our own surgical centers. There are no stitches, no injections, or no eye patches used. Most of the time, the procedure is very comfortable. It's done simply with topical anesthesia.
They numb you so you don't feel anything.
Absolutely no pain. Really no pain whatsoever.
10 minutes and no hospital stay. Patients here have procedures in state-of-the-art surgical centers.
It allows us to control the safety, the comfort, the convenience to the patients.